Hi, welcome to a new vlog. So in this vlog, what we are telling about, so many friends the doubt. Recently we done a drive, Kerala expedition drive from Bangalore. We went to Bangalore, Kanyakumari, Trivandrum. That route we went. That we want to. In this drive, what we done means mostly we are avoided the spending for accommodation, and we have a simple budget. We want to go for that. Why we are going means we are around 80% we are shifted to our profession to make travel vlog. So we want to make success in our Facebook page. I drive a travel with Dr. Sri Lekha, the same name Malayalam YouTube channel also there, and the main our YouTube channel in English and English, Hindi or in English mixing, that is Dr. Sri Lekha. That we want to make it success. So I want to completely make my profession into a travel vlog. I am thinking to quit my doctor profession. I will thinking about that. We will announce later. That's so in this drive what we done means we want to we have a less budget, low budget. We want to travel more places, explore. So we started from Bangalore, and that day we went a full night drive to Kanyakumari. We didn't stay anywhere, just a few hours. We took rest on petrol pump, and the continuous full night. We started around 3 o'clock from Bangalore, and the Google time that is telling we will reach Kanyakumari around 4:10 a.m. But the 4:10 a.m. we are reaching, that is not, it's not a comfortable time for us. Being a ladies, we can't reach that time, and the timing, and we are not thinking about to took room also. And little bit we lag on the way, and we reached around 6 a.m. in Kanyakumari. Then we suddenly went for the sunrise. We watched not much, simple sunrise. Okay, just we watched that sunrise. After we we parked our vehicle there, paid 30 rupees parking fees also. There one toilets facilities are there. First we think about the just we use that facility and change dress, and then up to evening we will rotate there, and then we will return. But after that we reach there means so many scratches in our vehicle. 30 rupees, 3,000 rupees scratches they are giving. That is the main thing affected. It's not a good feeling. I am not very much attached with my vehicle. So if any disturbance for vehicle means we can't cope up with that. That time we think about that. We want to change everything. One day we want to explore the Vivekananda statue, Thiruvalluvar statue, everything. We want to cover the temple, everything. So we decided to took one room in Kanyakumari. Then our problem is the budget. We can't take that 1,500, 2,000 budget. We can't take. That time we just went one hotel. They are asking 1,200 something. Then we think about that much money how we will spend. Then the other one hotel, Bharani, that we inquired, we don't want a AC room. We already told them. They told only 700 rupees room they given, and we took that room, and then we freshen up everything and changed us. Then we went to Vivekananda statue. Then after that we visited Thiruvalluvar statue. Only 50 rupees the boat charges we given, and 20 rupees for the there we want to pay on the Vivekananda rock. Both we can see. The boat, shuttle boats are ferry is there. Then we completed, and then we visited the temple, Kanyakumari temple, Sri Arulmigu Bhagavati Amman temple we visited. Then we came back to room, and just we had lunch there. Lunch also little bit costly. I think it's 100 rupees per vegetarian food. Okay, then we reached a room, and we took a 2-hour break, and 2-hour rest we took, and after that we went for the sunset. The Kanyakumari beach we visited, and sunset everything. Okay, then we sat there, and around 7:30 we want to see the night view of the Thiruvalluvar statue and Vivekananda statue and the full light. Then it's sitting simply, it's a good feeling. Then we returned around 8 o'clock to room, and we took some idli. every time why we are taking idli. I am interested with idli, but she is very much interested with dosha. What is happening? That is also budget. Okay, we can balance our budget. We can पेट भी भर जाता है, पैसा भी बैलेंस होता है. देन फिर बाद में 8 o'clock we reached room and full night we stayed there. But in Kanyakumari, what is happening? Not like Oyo room. They are giving the time to time. We took around 7:30, means next day morning we can stay there up to 7:30. So around 7:30, 6:30, 7 o'clock. Just I can't pakka time, we can't remember. But around 7:30 we vacate the room next day morning, and that means the third day. First day we full night drive, second day we stayed there, and the third day we started from Kanyakumari. Then we visited Tanumalayan temple, Shuchindram. On the way, Kanyakumari Trivandrum highway only just 10-11 kilometer. That's all. From Kanyakumari around 11 kilometer. On the Thiruvananthapuram highway only, just we want to go inside a 2 kilometers. It's a famous temple. We visited that temple. There is a big statue of Anjaneya statue is there. It's a good temple. त्रिमूर्ति का संगम होता है, वो तो मैंने ऑलरेडी वीडियो में हम लोग बोला था. फिर उसके बाद वी कंप्लीटेड दैट एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड, देन क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वी वांट टू एक्सप्लोर केरला, तो फर्स्ट we went to Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. There we suffered very much to parking. Parking is the very big issue. We reached on Sunday. Sunday means so much rush is there. Okay, we adjusted so many times, rounding. Then we got a perfect parking. And then we went inside. There no fees, nothing. It's all free. But there only the better thing means must wear mask. And keep our belongings there. One cloakroom is there, must keep our belongings there. They are not allowing video camera or mobile. Nothing is allowed inside the temple, and outside also you can use only mobile, and you don't use GoPro, any other camera facilities. Or one thing, we want to keep everything, and after all we can't take sanitizer also. That also we want to put outside, wire, everything, mobile, charger, everything we want to keep outside. And also one thing must remember to visit Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. If sari, ladies wearing sari, it's okay. Other than sari, any cloth we are wearing, usko cover karke, over that cloth must wear one dhoti. They are charging so many varieties, but the 50 rupees is the low price, the minimum price. That is comfortable. That we took only 50 rupees dhoti and cover over the churidar. And we visited, just half an hour we visited Padmanabha Swami temple, and we came out. Then we traveled to Kovalam beach. Then we visited Kovalam beach. There is an extraordinary, first time in lifetime we went for the speed boat. Only 400 rupees they are charged. So many varieties, rates are there. So how much we are going, that ride, that depend on the charges. We can visit so many places, all they are so telling. But our budget is less. That's why we took only 400 rupees. We already argue with them. Good people. They are good people. And we paid only 400 rupees for that. We went for the first lifetime. We went a ride through speedboat. After completing the Kovalam visit, then we travel towards that Trivandrum, Palakkad, that highway only we traveled. Then we decided to visit Tangi Church, Alappuzha. Okay, every time we are visiting Kerala, we must visit that place. In our life, so many ups and downs are came, so many issues we faced. That time also, we are visiting that church. It's giving some good feeling to us. Some attached with our lives. That's why we want to go there, and we already think about that first when we are starting that time also. Then we decided to go to Tangi Church. On the way, what happened? We done a mistake. We have budget drive. We done. Okay, we decided to spend only 200-300 per day for 2 people for food. We are eating only idli, sambar, and sometimes one tea, and small meals we are taking. And that day what happened means we completed Kovalam and then we are going to that towards Alapura, that road. We are searching so many, because we want a small budget hotel, so we are searching. One hotel, okay, outside a simple hotel. We went inside. We parked a little bit far our vehicle, and we both went inside. Then we asked for meals. We want only meals. That time what he is telling, so many variety he is telling fast. So when we are visiting Kerala means my mind is telling to eat kappa fish curry. As a Malayali we are interested with kappa fish curry. Then in Bangalore we are taking sometimes only 120 rupees kappa fish curry. That I think, okay, he told okay kappa, she ordered one meals and in myself one kappa and fish curry time. What he told fish head curry, fish talak curry is telling in Malayalam. I don't know, our self-respect is not thinking to ask what is the rate. We didn't ask the menu also. So we are interested, okay, we will try fish talak curry, fish head curry. We ordered one fish head curry. What I think, it's a small head, it will come less cost, it will come. Then he bring the meals for her, she is eating, and that kappa and fish curry. How fish curry, what happened means it's a big fish head curry. After seeing that fish curry, what happened means we think about what is the budget. Okay, then just I asked that guy how much for this fish curry means what he is told 440 rupees for only for that fish curry. What we will tell already, what we are thinking to eat या कुछ खाऊं या कुछ करूं या ऐसा ही हो गया. What happened means then we ate and came outside, total 660 rupees. That is the huge amount we paid in the total travel. When we went to Nainital, anywhere we are traveling, per day we are maximum spending 300 rupees for food for both of them. The first day we are spending this much money on that day only. After completing that, then we went to Tanki church. After completing around 8:30, 9 o'clock evening, night, then we drive continuously to, we reached Angamali, and one petrol pump is there. Every time we are visiting that petrol pump. First time we are staying that petrol pump. Night full we stayed that petrol pump only, and after freshen up around 4:30 we wake up and freshen up. She slept, I didn't slept, I just sitting there only. And after that around morning 5:30 we started our journey. The night we decided to go to Munnar, क्योंकि visiting Kerala so many places, so many, क्योंकि most of the people are not wearing mask, no compel to wear mask. That's why we wind up the Kerala travel, and then we decided to go to Munnar. That route only we returned to Bangalore. Then we visited Munnar, where there what happened means few places are not open. We visited only top station and just round up there, and Matupatti Dam, and we saw some speedboat ride something, and then we returned when we came to Salem highway, that Coimbatore Salem highway. And that night we stayed that highway, one petrol pump only. Night we stayed there, and the morning we decided to return to Bangalore. Then we decided no, the route is we want to make one extra video, means that is good for us in budget, means then we decided to go to Yerkadu. Then we visited Yerkadu around afternoon. We returned to Bangalore. Continuously we drove. 5th day night, around evening 5:30 we reached Bangalore. That is our drive full history. And we took only one room in Kanyakumari. Balance everything, stay, bath, fresh up, everything we done in petrol pump only. And total we spend around 14,000 rupees. 14,000, around 8,500 we spend for the petrol kharch, and the balance around 5,500 rupees we spend for all toll fee, food, and some entry fees, everything we included a total our charge is 14,000 only we spent for the 5 days continuous travel, and we completed that successfully. Now we are planning for a long drive. Our dream ride is pending also. Drive or ride we don't know, the Kashmir, Bangalore to Kashmir, we are working with that only. Budget is the main thing, we are waiting for that. Okay, आगे भी more good video we will provide, we will make and uploading we will try our level best. Must support us. How you will support means just click our subscribe button and bell button also click, क्योंकि हम लोग videos when we are uploading you will get as early as possible, and support us. Our channel name is Dr. Srilekha, don't forget that, and also like our Facebook page. Thank you friends, keep watching, stay tuned.